Unraveling, Dialing in, Master English Idioms. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. We'll unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, dialing in. So, get ready to add a new expression to your fluency toolkit. When we talk about dialing in, we're not just referring to using a phone. In fact, this idiom has a broader application. It means to adjust precisely or to focus intensely on a task. Imagine turning a dial to get a clear radio signal. That's the level of attention and adjustment we're talking about. Now, how do you use it? If someone is dialing in on their work, they're giving it their undivided attention. Or, in a more casual setting, if you're dialing in your coffee-making routine, you're perfecting the process for the best cup. Let's see it in action. At work, I need to dial in on this project to meet the deadline. In sports, she's really dialing in her aim for the archery competition. Personal improvement. I'm dialing in my morning routine for a more productive day. Interestingly, dialing in can cross into various contexts. In business, it implies fine-tuning strategies. In technology, it might refer to calibrating equipment. And in personal development, it's about refining habits. And there you have it. You're now dialed in on the idiom, dialing in. Use it to impress with your English fluency in your next conversation. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.